In Washington, where temperatures can vary widely from hot summers to chilly winters, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment can be a challenge. Many homeowners rely heavily on heating and cooling systems to keep their homes at a comfortable temperature, but one of the most overlooked contributors to energy efficiency is the windows. If you've noticed drafts, high energy bills, or difficulty maintaining a consistent indoor temperature, it might be time for residential window replacement. New, energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency, saving you money while enhancing comfort. Here's how residential window replacement in Washington can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency. Eliminating drafts and heat loss. Older windows, especially single-pane models, are one of the main culprits for heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. Gaps, cracks, and worn-out weather stripping can allow warm air to escape and cold air to enter, making your HVAC system work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This not only leads to higher energy bills but also makes your home less comfortable. By opting for residential window replacement, you can upgrade to double or triple pane windows, which offer much better insulation. The extra layers of glass, combined with gas fills like argon or krypton, act as thermal barriers that keep heat inside during the winter and block heat from entering during the summer. With these energy-efficient windows, your home will be better insulated, reducing the load on your HVAC system and lowering your energy consumption. Energy-efficient glass coating. One of the key features of modern, energy-efficient windows is the low-E, low-emissivity, glass coating. Low-E coatings are thin, invisible layers applied to the glass that reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. In the winter, low-E glass reflects heat back into your home, reducing the need for your heating system to work as hard. In the summer, the coating reflects UV rays and solar heat away from your home, helping to keep the interior cool and reducing the need for air conditioning. By replacing your old windows with those that feature low-E glass, you'll benefit from better temperature regulation throughout the year, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable home environment. Reducing air leaks. Air leaks around your windows can significantly impact the energy efficiency of your home. Even small gaps or poorly sealed windows can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter, causing drafts and inconsistent temperatures. This puts extra strain on your heating and cooling systems, driving up your energy costs. Residential window replacement offers the opportunity to eliminate these air leaks with high-quality weather stripping and caulking that ensure a tight seal around the window frame. New windows, particularly those with vinyl or fiberglass frames, are more energy efficient and offer better protection against air leaks than older, wood-framed models. With tighter seals and improved construction, you'll experience fewer drafts, a more consistent indoor temperature, and lower energy usage. Increasing natural light without increasing heat. Many homeowners in Washington want to enjoy natural light but struggle with the intense heat that comes with large windows during the summer months. Traditional windows often allow too much heat to enter, causing uncomfortable temperatures inside and putting more pressure on your air conditioning system. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to let in more light without allowing excessive heat. These windows feature solar-controlled glazing that reduces solar heat gain while still allowing abundant sunlight into your home. As a result, you can enjoy the benefits of natural daylight without the added cost of cooling your home. This not only reduces energy usage but also creates a more pleasant living environment. Long-term savings and return on investment. While residential window replacement may come with an upfront cost, the long-term savings make it a worthwhile investment. New, energy-efficient windows can lower your energy bills by up to 20% or more, depending on the size of your home and the number of windows being replaced. These savings can quickly add up over time, making the initial cost of replacement windows more than worth it. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can increase the overall value of your home. Homebuyers are increasingly looking for properties with energy-saving features, and homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are more attractive to potential buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, the investment in window replacement could lead to a higher resale price. Environmental benefit. By reducing your home's energy consumption, residential window replacement also helps reduce your environmental impact. Homes that are energy efficient consume less electricity, leading to a decrease in greenhouse gas emissions and a smaller carbon footprint. If sustainability is important to you, upgrading your windows is a simple yet effective way to contribute to a greener planet while enjoying the benefits of lower energy costs. Conclusion. Residential window replacement in Washington is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you can eliminate drafts, reduce heat loss, enhance insulation, and lower your energy bills. With added features like low-E glass coatings and airtight seals, these windows help maintain a comfortable temperature year-round, all while contributing to a more sustainable living environment. If you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term value, consider replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models. The benefits of a more energy-efficient home are clear: lower costs, increased comfort, and a better living experience for years to come.